Have you ever been frustrated with a messy spreadsheet that had inconsistent cell sizes? Well, in this video, I am going to help you clean it up and create a more polished look that will make your work more impressive. Hello there, welcome to Excel Daily, where you can learn Excel and Excel VBA related problems. This is Sabrina and today we will learn how to make all cells the same size in Excel. So let's dive in and make your Excel spreadsheet look amazing. I'll show you 5 valuable methods to make all cells the same size by adjusting row height and column width. Here I'm using Microsoft Excel 365. You are free to use any other version that suits your needs. I'm using this dataset, which is a quiz show participant list. The names of the players in Group 1 and Group 2 are included in this dataset, respectively in column B and column C. We can clearly observe that the contents of the cells are disorganized, and disorganized extremely badly. Here, I will use all the techniques that are available to track this issue using visual examples. Click on the tiny triangle, which is the Select All button. It will choose every cell in the spreadsheet, or you can press Ctrl A. Then select the Home tab, choose Format from the drop-down menu under the Cells group. Now select Column Width. You must specify the desired column width in this field. So I just type 20 and click OK. Right immediately, you will see that all the column widths are the same size. I will now demonstrate how to just resize a certain number of chosen columns. So choose column B. Now hold down the Shift key and tap column C with the mouse while continuing to hold down the Shift key. This will choose column B and C together. Now do the same work as before. Go to Home tab, Format, then column width. Enter the desired number for the column width. Hit Enter on the keyboard or OK on the mouse. You can see the outcome since only column B and C have been given this new customized width. The remaining columns which you haven't chosen in their original proportion. You can do the same to reorganize the rows. For this, you just need to choose the row height. We can use the mouse and do the same what we did in the previous two techniques, which will save your time. Look closely at the names of column B and C first. There is an extension boundary between those two columns. Put the mouse pointer on the extension boundary. The cursor will transfer into a sign or symbol that tells you to go to the right or left. Okay, if you double-click the mouse left button, you can see the size will adjust instantly. So I've just changed column B's size. Use the same process to resize column C, which is currently joined with column D. Start by placing your mouse pointer on the line separating column D and C. Then just as before, double-click on the mouse and column C will also automatically resize. The column width and row height will be adjusted in accordance with respective cells using this approach, which will also save you time. Select all by clicking on the symbol in the left top corner of the name field. as we have already demonstrated in method 1. Then go to Home tab, select Format from the cells group, then choose Autofill column width. And that's it. The Developer tab must be turned on. If the Developer tab is already visible in Ribbon, you may skip this step. To active the Developer tab, go to the File tab, then Options. To bring up the Developer tab, go to Customize Ribbon and mark the Developer checkbox. Click OK. Instead, you can just right-click the ribbon, go to Customize Ribbon, select the Developer tab, and click OK. Now, go to Developer tab. Click the Visual Basic or just right-click on the sheet and go to View Code. The editor window will show up. If you want to make the changes in the whole spreadsheet, then you need to write the code in a module. For this, go to Insert, choose Module, and write the code here. Otherwise, just write the code for the specific sheet. In my case, this is sheet 6. Here, I just set the column width 25 and row height 20. You can modify the values for column width and row height to see and resize the cells in accordance with your input criteria. Run the code now by just hitting F5 or by clicking the Run Sub button. Go back to your Excel spreadsheet and you can see the modification you made using your code. How to make all cells the same size using shortcut in Excel. Choose the B4 to C14 range of cells that you want to resize. Then hold the Alt key, hit H, O, and W sequentially. The input box for column width will appear. Set the desired column width here, then click OK. How to make all merged cells the same size in Excel. We can clearly see that certain cells have been combined with other cells. The combined cells cannot be appropriately resized. That now complicates the situation. Let's solve this problem. Select the whole data range in the spreadsheet, go to Home tab, click on the Merge and Center command under the Alignment group. This will undo the merging of all the chosen cells. Right-click on column C, choose Delete from the context menu. We're going to correct the cell orientation right now. Again, go to Home tab, make a single click on the middle align icon for center align. And finally, we can see the results. And they're really eye-catching. Make sure to download the practice workbook from the description box so you can follow along and practice making all cells the same size in Excel. Hope this will help you. If you have any questions, suggestion or feedback, please let us know in the comment section or you can have a glance at exceldemy.com. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing for more content like this.